Jason slumped at his kitchen table, eyes locked on his credit card statement. $327.64 gone again this month. His stomach twisted as he scanned the endless list of AI tool subscriptions, voice generators, image creators, text assistants, and more. Each charge felt like a slap in the face. But the real gut punch? He hadn't made a single dollar back. Not one. He'd poured everything into a side hustle that was supposed to change his life. But instead, he was drowning in bills, wondering how he was going to explain this to his wife. A bitter thought crept in. Am I paying to fail? Sadly, Jason's not alone. Millions of people are stuck in the same position as Jason. But here's the truth. The problem isn't AI itself. The problem is the gatekeepers who charge you monthly to use them. I mean, look at this. ChatGPT costs $20 a month. Jasper, $49 a month. Canva Pro, $13 a month. Claude, $30 a month. Microsoft Copilot, $30 a month. Midjourney, $60 a month. And the list goes on. And it's not like you can just give up on AI. It's a $683 billion industry. You need it in your business to survive. Without it, you don't have a chance to compete. But what if there's a completely different and revolutionary way? What if you could access all of those AI models from one powerful dashboard without paying a single penny in monthly fees or API costs? What if you could just search for any AI model you want, whether it's ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Claude, Gemini, Leonardo, Synthesia, Cosmos AI, Jasper, 11lab, Palm 2.0, Llama, or any other top-tier model. And just with a click, you have full, unrestricted access to it. Say hello to Universal AI, the world's first universal AI app that lets you search, unlock, and activate any AI model in the market, all without the hassle or monthly fees. With Universal AI, you can effortlessly unlock premium AI models to create 4K motion videos, ChatGPT-like chatbots, AI virtual assistants in your brand choice, websites, e-com stores, and sales funnels, 3D box shot, logos, and 4K images, ultra-realistic talking avatar, AI influencer, voiceovers and voice cloning, audio transcriptions and music mixing, sales and ad copies with article rewriter and plagiarism checker, image editing, remove background, paint, colorizer, etc., video to blog, WhatsApp deal closer and AI web chat, flipbook, text to app, branding, virtual business cards, and more. It's easy. Simply type or say what you need. For example, I want to create 4K motion video. I want to clone my voice, and Universal AI will instantly search for and activate the world's best AI models to get it done, all within the Universal AI app. No API fees, no monthly costs. Imagine creating websites, funnels, products, 3D box shot, logos, and more, all from one dashboard, and make money like this and this in just 1 to 2 minutes a day. Not just that, imagine generating 4K motion videos, 4K images, talking avatar, AI influencer, flipbooks, and even software from the same dashboard. Basically, anything you can imagine in your wildest dreams, you can achieve it in seconds. But it gets even better because Universal AI allows all of those AI models to interact together and work in perfect harmony. It produces results 19 times better than any individual AI model and 10 times faster. Imagine building a business where the 3D box shot and logos created with Canva, the websites created by Claude, the content by ChatGPT or DeepSeek, and the VSL is created by Leonardo AI or HeyGen. Again, all from the same dashboard with a single click and without paying for any of the AI models. Hey, my name is Sei, and I'm here to show you the power of Universal AI, how we use it to make money, and how you can also tap into it even if you know nothing about AI. Universal AI works for everyone and anyone, regardless of where you're from, what language you speak, or even your level of experience. All you need is just 3 simple steps. And the best part is, no monthly payments, no upfront costs, no installation or configuration, no limits or restrictions, no API fees. Amazing. I'm sure by now you're wondering how much this will cost you. Universal AI will save you a minimum of $13,231.23 a year while helping you build a profitable business or land freelance gigs that can generate daily income like this. So it'd be fair to charge you a minimum of $997 a month for it. But I can't do that. I was in Jason's shoes, paying monthly for everything and getting little to no results. So I don't want anyone to suffer the same. And since I make more than enough money with Universal AI, I don't need your money. All I ask is to just cover the cost of hosting by paying a small one-time fee, less than the price of a pizza pie. And you can have unlimited and unrestricted access to Universal AI. Not just that, I'll even give you a free commercial license so you can use it in your business or your client's business or sell it on Fiverr, Upwork, or anything else. And to make the deal even easier, you'll get exclusive bonuses worth over $10K. And you're protected by my 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. If you think that Universal AI is not for you, just send us an email and we'll refund every penny you've paid. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below before we reach our limit and close down Universal AI forever. And pick up your copy now, and I'll see you on the other side.